Hello guys, it's time for another unboxing video. As you probably noticed, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video. That's all thanks to the current events preventing us from having shows to go to, so haven't been selling stuff, so no need to restock. As you may recall in a previous video, I mentioned that I had ordered a new tarp for camping. The recent human malware also caused problems with the hammock camping cottage vendors to slow down their production, many of them making masks, so that caused a few delays in me getting it. Well, anyway, let's get to unpacking this. Well, first up, when you order from Trailheads, they also send you a ridgeline organizer. And now for the main event. After seeing Trinity's Trailheads tarp, and then meeting John there at Winter Hang, I decided to go ahead and order my own winter tarp from Trailheads. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.